Did you know over 48% of people in Texas live in a childcare desert? A childcare desert is a community where there aren't enough licensed daycare options to meet the needs of local families. If you've ever been stuck on a wait list for months or forced to make tough choices about who watches your child while you're at work, you might be living in one. In most cases, a region is considered a childcare desert if there are 3 or more children for every licensed daycare slot. That imbalance leaves many parents scrambling for care. And too often, the only options left are unlicensed, overcrowded, or unsafe childcare providers. The lack of access doesn't just cause stress and inconvenience. It can lead to serious risks for children, especially in places where daycares take in more kids than they can safely handle, caregivers aren't adequately trained or supervised, or homes and facilities aren't inspected for health and safety violations. When safe, licensed childcare isn't available, parents might feel like they have no options. This may lead to them turning to unlicensed or unregulated daycares, overcrowded daycares that aren't following safety guidelines, or friends, neighbors, or relatives who aren't trained in child supervision. Even though most caregivers mean well, these setups can lead to real dangers, like unsafe sleep environments, injuries due to a lack of supervision, or abuse and neglect from untrained staff. We've seen firsthand how these situations unfold. Too many kids, insufficient staff, and no real accountability. And when something goes wrong, the families are the ones left picking up the pieces. Cases involving childcare deserts are often more complex because they highlight a larger systemic issue, not just a single incident. However, when families speak up and take legal action, they can change their community and protect other children from harm. At the Button Law Firm, we work with families to investigate what caused a daycare injury, uncover violations, and hold the daycare accountable for injuries and trauma. If your child was injured at daycare, you're not alone. We're here to fight for your family. You can call us, email us, or fill out the contact form on our website. And if you're not ready to talk yet, that's okay. We created a free 5-step guide on what to do after a daycare injury. You can download it using the link below. At the Button Law Firm, we're here to keep you and your family moving forward.